In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Payroll, how to post unscheduled pay runs, 5 minutes. An unscheduled pay run is perfect for one-off payments that sit outside your normal pay cycle, like bonuses, back pay, corrections, or final pays. Before you start, make sure your payroll calendar is set up and that employees who need to be paid are assigned to the correct calendar. It also helps to have your dates and amounts ready so you can move through the process smoothly. Open your browser and go to the Xero login page. Click Login, enter your credentials, and complete any security checks. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. If you have access to multiple organizations, confirm you're in the right one before continuing. From the dashboard, head to Payroll, then choose Pay Employees. This is where all pay runs are managed. Look for the option to add a new run and click the plus Add Pay Run button. When asked what type of run you want, select Unscheduled Pay Run. This tells Xero you're making a payment outside your regular schedule. Next, choose the payroll calendar that matches the employees you're paying. Select the correct financial year so your reports and taxes fall in the right period. Then pick the unscheduled pay period. Take a second to confirm the pay period and pay date don't overlap with a regular run, especially if you're avoiding double payments. Click Next to move on. On the next screen, select the employees you want to include. Only tick the people who should be paid in this one-off run. If someone is already being paid in a regular run, make sure you intend to pay them again here. Open each employee's payslip to review and edit the details. Add any additional earnings, overtime, commissions, reimbursements, or deductions as needed. Check tax, superannuation, or retirement contributions, and leave balances if they're relevant to this payment. Keep an eye on the net pay and year-to-date figures to ensure everything looks right, then click Save and Close to return to the pay run summary. Repeat this for each employee you've included. When the summary looks good, review the totals, pay dates, and employer costs. If everything is accurate, click Post Pay Run. Xero will ask you to confirm, so click Post Pay Run again to finalize. Posting locks in the run for reporting and makes the pay slips available according to your organization's settings. That's it. You've created and posted an unscheduled pay run in Xero. From here, you can process payments with your normal method and share pay slips as needed.